Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we are going to take up one very interesting question from algebraic expressions. Here we have to evaluate 1 plus square root 5 over 2 whole power 12. So let's get started by considering this expression equal to e first. Now we can write our expression e as e is equal to 1 plus square root 5 over 2 whole power is 12. We can factor 12 as 3 times 4. Now we know that a power b times c can be written as a power b whole power c. By using this identity, I will write 1 plus square root 5 over 2 whole cube and then whole power 4. Now we can consider this cube only equal to x. So we are going to calculate x power 4, where x is 1 plus square root 5 over 2 whole cube. Let's calculate x first. So I will write x equal to square root 5 plus 1 over 2 whole cube. This will be equal to square root 5 plus 1 whole cube over 2 cube. Now we should know a plus b whole cube formula. Let's write formula first. This is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So we will calculate square root 5 plus 1 whole cube. Using this formula, we will write square root 5 whole cube plus 1 whole cube plus 3 times square root 5 whole square times 1 plus 3 times square root 5 times 1 square. Now we can write square root 5 cube as square root 5 square times square root 5. Then we can write 1 cube, this is equal to 1 plus 3 times square root and square will be over. We will get 3 times 5 only plus 3 times square root 5. Now square root and square will be over here also. We will get 5 square root 5 plus 1 plus 15 plus 3 times square root 5. Now 5 root 5 plus 3 root 5 will give us 8 square root 5. 1 plus 15 is 16. So in numerator we can write 8 root 5 plus 16. Let's write 8 root 5 plus 16. And denominator is 2 cube, which is equal to 8. So we'll be getting square root 5 plus 2. This is the value of x. Let's put over there. We will calculate our required expression e. So I can write e equal to x power 4, where x is square root 5 plus 2. Whole power is 4. Now this 4 we can write 2 times 2. So here we will be writing 2 times 2. Again using the same identity or property from exponent, we can write square root 5 plus 2 whole square, and then whole square. Now we will expand this. So we need to know a plus b whole square formula. So we can write a square plus b square plus 2 times ab. So our expression we will write square root 5 whole square plus 2 whole square plus 2 times square root 5 times 2, and then we have whole square. Now square root and square will be cancelled out. We will get 5 only, plus 2 square is 4, plus 2 times 2 is 4, square root 5 whole square. Or we can write 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 4 square root 5 whole square. This is equal to expression E. So I will write E equal to 9 plus 4 square root 5 whole square. Again we will use a plus b whole square formula. We will get 9 square plus 4 square root 5 whole square plus 2 times 9 times 4 square root 5. Now we can write 9 square as 81 plus 4 square times square root 5 whole square plus 2 times 9 times 4 square root 5. Or we can write 81 plus 16 times square root and square will be over. So 16 times 5 plus 2 times 9 is 18. 18 times 4 is 72 square root 5. Now I can write 81 plus 16 times 5 is 80 plus 72 square root 5. 81 plus 80 is 161 plus 72 square root 5. So this is our final and required answer. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck.